Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing an ice machine. We did the condenser on the roof, and you can see behind me that we're installing the head here. It's a remote system, so I have the head downstairs, and then I got new copper lines going up to the roof and for that new condenser. So here is the ice machine with the 600 pounder. And we're doing the drain right here. We hooked up the electrical, which is this one right here. And then went back in there. Copper lines are going up through here. And this is the cover in front. Yeah, so call us for all your air conditioning, heater, refrigeration needs, and plumbing. 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video.